Welcome to Taste Your Waste, where we savor the best and skip the rest. Today we are trying Auntie Ranas Naga Garlic Mayo, which is spicy, umami, tangy, and also Auntie Ranas smoked chili oil. Check it out, y'all. Looks great. So we're gonna go ahead and try the mayo right quick. Ooh. Okay, smells like mayo. Smells good. Let's go ahead and try this without anything on it, just to get that flavor there. There you go. Has a very spicy, garlicky, umami. It has like a roasted garlic. You can taste the Naga chili. I'm feeling it in my head right now. Has a very good flavor to it. Wow, that is spicy. That is delicious. I'm gonna put this on a little bit of meat here. That's one of the best meals I've ever had in my life. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. Holy cow. Okay. Try the chili oil. Let's try it by itself. You know, we gotta be smart about this. Just to see. Smoked chili oil. Ooh. I'm gonna put a little bit on the meat here. Spicy. Very umami. Has that like nice pink salt that you can taste in it. It says pink salt there, but I can taste the salt. It's just really good umami flavor. Spicy as can be. Holy cow. I like the flavor that's in it. I think it's just, it has a perfect amount of heat to it that like you want in the chili oil, but you taste a little bit of that salt, taste that oil. It just has a really good flavor to it. In general, I'm gonna go ahead and say they're both 10 out of 10. I can't complain. They're just really good. Let me know what you guys think. Definitely try some. This is Auntie Ranas. I'm gonna have to check the rest of the products because this right now is some of the best I've had in general, and I mean this 100% wholeheartedly. Y'all let me know what you think. Try it out. This is Auntie Ranas smoked chili oil and Auntie Ranas Naga garlic mayo, which by the way, like I said, some of the best I've ever had so far. Check it out. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure you go ahead and give them a follow on Instagram. This Auntie Ranas. I'll go ahead and tag them down there. And as always, y'all, this is a taste, not a waste. Keep on wondering.